parent record, parent record, parent record. Okay, right. So example, I will tell you. So everyone knows, right? There is a shopping malls, DMart, everyone knows, right? If you go to DMart, you can buy the more than one product. So you can, your bill is showing total items, how many items you purchase the particular order, how many items the purchase the particular order, and what is the total amount, and which product is having highest amount, which product is having lowest amount. Some of the bills they're highlighting bold color. Did you observe or not? I don't know. So some of the companies or some of the shopping malls, they maintain like that. This is the product is lowest price, this is the product is highest price, and the total how many products you purchase, the quantity it is showing total, and also total amount. How they're calculating, how the system is calculating automatically means, that is based on the roll up summary we can calculate. Example, everyone knows Flipkart, right? Flipkart, Amazon. So if you order more than one product, whenever you are going to going to pay the money in online, before going to make the money, so the bill is showing. So this is order number. This order number is contain these many products, and your discount, everything it is applied. After discount, this is the total amount. These many products you are going to purchase. So how the system is calculating how many products you ordered and what is the total price. See, even though the products are delivered to different vendors or maybe from different vendors, but the price you can pay at a time only, right? You can pay at a time the single order, but order is the parent, and whatever products you selecting, that is the child data. Okay, so the child data, what is the total amount, everything it is showing in that bill before making the money. Okay, so that is something like how it is calculated means based on roll up summary. Okay, that is. Just give me 1 second. Sorry. Okay. So now go to here. Example, what are the actions you can create? These fields. These fields are created in parent record. Parent record. Okay, or parent object. Not parent record, parent object. Okay, and also here these fields are available. These fields are available only on master detail relationship. Master detail relationship. Okay, and also governor limit is 25 per object. 25 per object, up to we can create roll up summary fields. More than 25 it is not allowed. Okay, and also what are the actions you can perform means, so first action we can count, means total number of products in parent record. One parent, how many child records are there, automatically system is going to count the data and display the count into the parent record. And one more is sum. Sum means total amount. What is the total amount that particular order? Total amount for the particular order. Maximum, which product is having highest amount, that amount it is showing there. And what is minimum? Minimum is nothing but which product is having minimum price. Okay, this one. So this is something like count, sum, maximum, minimum. These are the actions you can perform by using roll up summary fields. Okay, again I'm telling, these fields are creating only for master detail relationship, and also that too it is creating only for parent object, not for child object, because of from parent only we can summarize the child data. So from parent only we can calculate how many child records are available, what is the total price of all the child records, and which child record having maximum amount, that amount it is displayed automatically. Which amount is minimum, that amount is displayed automatically. Minimum amount, maximum amount. These two are displaying by using min or maximum. Okay, this one. This is something like about roll-up summary field. Let's see one example. Simple example. Create a below roll-up summary fields. Roll-up summary fields on which object we have here. I think here financial, maybe academic. Let's see one scenario. Maybe is there any order object? Yes, we have a order object. Go to order object first, see whether it is roll-up summary. This is the standard object. Yes, it is available. Okay. And also if you go to click on customize this one, select the order, make it visible somewhere, click on save now. Okay, if you go to order now, so if you go to all orders, there is no any order. Once new order is created, maybe I'm going to create one order for example. Okay, order date is today. Contract number, we don't have contract number. I think contract also it is required. Maybe let me enable one contract as well before going to discuss example. So this is our standard objects. We have to check which field is mandatory. This is the lookup. First, you have to create a dependent data, that is parent data. So let me check all contracts. Is there no contract? Click on contract here. Something IT, and the contract start date is tomorrow. So this is 24 months. And maybe if you want, you can add something. Just click on save now. Okay, account name. This is account name, the particular account. Maybe I'm going to select CTS, save now. So once it is saved contract, if you go to new order, now select the contact here for CTS account and the particular contract you have to select. Save now. So click on date, maybe our order start date is tomorrow, save now. Right, it is saved. Okay, now I'm going to add products. See, suppose I'm going to add standard price book only, click on save now. See, these many products we have. So I'm going to add products. Okay, let me add these many products. These are the standard objects only. Quantity I'm going to enter 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 1, something. Description if you want, you can enter, otherwise leave it save. Now here, one order contain multiple products, right? See, suppose here 7 directly it is showing 7, okay. We can easily understand there is a 7 items are there. But in case more than 7 items, there is 100 items are there. Or maybe there is a 200 items are there in one order. Then how to check how many child records are there? Again, do you want to run the query backend or do you want to create any page? Not required. By using roll-up summary, we can check how many total products in particular order, which order having what is the total amount, and what is the maximum price, what is the minimum price. Let's see for this example. Create a below roll-up summary fields on order object. Okay, order object. What is the first one? Total count of products. This is the first one. So which action we are going to use? Count. Okay. Next one is total order amount. Total order amount. Then we can use sum function. Okay. One more is maximum product price. Product price. So this is we can use max. Minimum product price. Product price. So that is we can use for min. Okay, so this one we can use max, min, or this one. Right, now if we go to, let's see how to create, where to create, which object we are going to create roll-up summary fields. Parent object, not for order product. For a parent object we are going to create all 4 fields, and let's see. Go to fields, Create a roll-up summary field. Select the roll-up summary. Click on next button. Now select first one. What is the first field name? Select the total count of products or line items. Generally, in CRM perspective, we are call it as a line item. Line item or product, both are same. Each line item, it is referring to one product. Okay, some people are call it as a line item, order line item. Some people are call it as a order product. Okay, order product. If you open this product, if you click on edit now, see it is showing for order product. Actual object name is order product, but people are calling as a line item. Line item or order product, both are same. Don't confuse. Now here, select the total products. Click on next. Now here, first you can select the order product, which object you are going to summarize. Maybe that object is having more than one child object as well. So if you want which child object you are going to summarize, order product. I'm going to choose count. So automatically system is going to calculate how many products are there in particular order. So based on this action. And also here we have a filter condition as well. Yesterday we discussed, right, something about lookup filter. So do you want to consider for filtering the data, or do you want to consider particular location of the data? Then we can add filter condition here. Which filter condition do you want to add? Okay. See, suppose you are going to calculate the data only the particular location data, or maybe the particular only active products only we are going to consider. Maybe user by mistake they're going to add inactive product. The product itself, it is not there in warehouse, so maybe that inactive products we are going to disable. Maybe you can select here something, whatever it is required in child object, whatever it is there, then we can select here. Okay, maybe it is a price book, or maybe end date, or maybe particular date products only we need to calculate. That we can calculate to summarize the data. Okay, that is depends on example. You can depends on the requirement, you can select. Most of the time people are using all records only. Maybe specific records we need to summarize, then we can use for second option. Click on next. Make it visible for all profiles. Click on next. Save and new. So now I'm going to create one more field. Select the roll-up summary. Click on next. Before testing, first we will create all the fields. Now select total order amount. Now go to here. Select the total order amount. Click on next. Now here we can select here order products. Select sum. Which field we are going to see? List price we have, quantity we have, unit price we have, and also available quantity. So do you want how many products in each, how many items do you want to calculate? Maybe one product, maybe user is ordering 2 items. Do you want to calculate that one? You can calculate. But as of now, I'm going to select unit price. So the price, total price, I'm going to select. Click on next. Make it visible for all profiles. Click on next and save and new. Again, I'm going to create one more field, maximum unit price. Go to here, click on roll up summary, next. Now select the maximum unit price, click on next. Same as usual, select the order product is a summarized object. Select this field only we can aggregate. Okay, click on next, save and new. So by mistake I click on save, but anyway, click on one more field. Now final one is minimum price. Select the minimum price, go to roll up summary, click on next. Minimum price, click on next. Select the order products, select minimum, select unit price, click on next. Make it visible, click on next, save. So now total, how many fields you created? 4 fields you are created. See, this is the standard object. If you go to limits of the standard object, so here how many roll-up summary fields you can create per object? 25. Now we are using 4 roll-up summary fields. Okay, remaining 21 we can enable. Okay, so this one. So this is how we can check standard object limits as well. Custom object limits also we can check. Standard object limits also we can check. Almost these limits are same in free developer edition and also in real time also. Actual Actual purchased arc and free developer edition both are same only limits. If you want to increase the limits, maybe they will charge or something. You can increase also. If possible, they will increase as well. If it is really required for your business. Otherwise, they will give some alternate approach as well. Salesforce also have support team, so they will give some alternate approach if you want to increase the limits, or maybe is there any alternate approach to achieve the same functionality. Okay, this one. Go to order now. Now I'm going to refresh. See, if you refresh now, total products, how many products here? 7. See, 7 is updated here. What is the total order amount is 4,05,000 is the total order of amount. Which product is having highest price? Which product is having highest price? That is 1,50,000. That is something like, if you go to here, so this is the total price. This is the unit price. Okay. Unit price I'm calculating, not for total price. If you want to calculate total price, you can select the total. I'm selecting unit price. Okay. See, because of unit price means each product. Again, this into this. Okay. I think we want to change the fields. Maybe it is get exact requirement. Maybe let's see it's possible or not. Total price. Some. I think it is list price only. Let's see, save now. If you go to order and refresh, oh, list price, total price value, it is not showing because of this is the formula field. Maybe you have to create one more field and you can check that. Maybe that is the limitation. Okay, anyway, okay, unit price I'm calculating, total amount, maximum product price is this one. 1,50,000 is maximum product. If you go to 7 records, see 1,50,000. Which product is having less amount? 5,000. If you go to order, see now 5,000 is the minimum price. Suppose if you want to delete any order product, what will happen these fields? Okay, click on delete now. Suppose I'm going to delete the product. Now what happened? See, automatically the quantity is total quantity. Again I changed. Sorry guys. Where is the total count of count only? 7. Right. If you go to refresh now, see total 6 now because of one product is deleted and the remaining fields also it is updated. Previously 4,05,000. Now it is showing 4 lakh. If you go to recycle bin, now I'm going to go to all recycle bin. Okay, maybe the product is not available, once delete. Okay, so that you can ignore now. In case we can restore the data, maybe that standard object product is deleted permanently. If you want to restore the data, then what happened? This is the junction object actually. That is the reason that data is not available in recycle bin. Okay, if it is restored, automatically these fields are updated. Means if user is adding new child data, or user is updating existing child data, or user is deleting the data, or user is undeleting the data from recycle bin, automatically these fields are calculating. Okay, this one. Hope you clear what is roll up summary fields. So note means if user perform below DML operation in child object, automatically these fields are updated in parent object. Okay, what are the operation? Create new child data and update existing child data and also delete child data and also undelete child data. Okay, this one. So hope you clear what is roll up summary. Any questions, team? Clear now this one? Right, I will give an assignment to create below objects and fields in Salesforce. Okay, so what is the object name? First object name is department, second object name is, so the department fields, okay, the related fields are, department fields is something like, so total number of students, number of students, and also you can create one more field, that is roll up summary field is, student fees, maybe total department student fees you can calculate, and also maximum fee paid, and also minimum fee paid. Okay, these are the fields you can create. And one more object, students is one more object, and the fields are department field, that is master detail, because without master detail roll up summary is not possible, right? And also create one more fee, that is something like currency. Okay, this one. So we can create these two fields, master detail department field, and create fee. Okay, and also so finally create some test data in both parent and child and validate above changes. Can you do this assignment straightforward? Okay, so this is everything in roll up summary fields. Clear this requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, please do that. If you do that, you can understand the requirement. Okay. Oh, okay. Right. So this is something like roll up summary. I think so. There is one more concept called formula fields. So that we are going to start now. Okay, formula fields. Right. And this is the final concept for fields. Okay, so remaining roll up summary. As of now, we discussed again. I'm repeating. So normal data types, relationship external lookup relationship that you can check it trailhead. There is a trailhead is available. Maybe please let me know either tomorrow, maybe today it's not possible. Tomorrow, maybe let me know how to use trailhead. Otherwise, next week I'm going to explain. Once everything basic model is ready, then I'm going to explain how to use trailhead and which trailhead you are going to start. Okay, simultaneously you guys are going to practice trailhead related projects as well. Okay, so that you can understand more on real time also. So that time maybe you can practice external lookup relationship and the roll up summary. As of now, whatever there in my notes, that is sufficient. And also this point is very important. Okay, so don't forget this point. Okay, so generally people are asking, can you create roll up summary fields in child object? No, you have to say that yes, roll up summary always you can create a parent object, we can summarize the child data. Relationship fields we can create in child object. Roll up summary it is creating parent object. Okay, these points don't confuse. Okay, right. Formula fields. What is the formula field? Why using formula field? Okay, simple example. You know personal loan EMI calculator, right? So everyone knows personal loan, something EMI calculator, how to calculate the data. First, you have to give the how much amount you are required, and also tenure, and also you have to give the number of months, that is the tenure and rate of interest. These three parameters are required to calculate EMI of the personal loan. So whenever giving this information, automatically it is calculated? No, right? You have to click on calculate button. Then it will show for the data, how much EMI per month, and each month how much it is paid, and what is the deduction amount, what is the principal amount. The list it is showing in some of the websites. So how it is calculated automatically means that is something like formula fields. So based on certain fields, you need to calculate any data and display into the another field, then we can use for formula field. Simple. Okay, so in EMI calculator backend they've mentioned already logic to calculate the data. Whenever click on calculate, Once click on calculate, then only that EMI it is showing. Before that, it is not showing. Same like Salesforce also, formula fields are calculated once save the record. Okay, once as soon as save the record, the formula field returns some information based on logic what you are defined inside the formula. Okay, so that is the reason formula field having some return type. So there is a two types of data types we have. One is the data type, one is the return type. Data type is nothing but what user is going to enter, which type of data user is going to enter, that it will decide by the data type. But return type is nothing but system what type of output we are going to display into the system, that it will check by the return type. Okay, return type is nothing but a output of the data. Input of the data is nothing but a data type. Suppose if you click on calculate button in EMI calculator, it will show related EMI information only. Suppose it will show something unwanted information. What is the use of using EMI calculator? So already you are expecting what type of information. So you are expecting some currency. What is the amount you are going to pay monthly basis, right? So same like formula fields also. What type of information we are going to display, that you have to think before implementing logic based on the requirement. What type of data user is expecting to save the data or calculating the data, that it will decide by the return type. Okay, let's see how to create a formula field. Nodes before that, read only data type. Okay, data types. And also here it is having a return type, a return type. So what is the return type? Example is example currency. If you want to return the currency value, number, or text field, date field, or if you want any checkbox, etc. Okay, there is a date, time also we have, that also it is supported. Whatever it is there, that is sufficient for our project requirement. If more than that any data type means, then you can go with the development configuration, whatever it is possible. So whatever they're giving option, only that much only it is possible. Okay, when record is saved, when record is saved, then only these fields are calculated, or these fields are calculated and displayed into the record. Okay, based on logic, right? Next one. Okay, these fields are available, these fields are available only detail page, not edit mode. Even though in lightning it is showing edit mode as well, but edit mode it is showing as a not, it is not showing value. After save the data, then only it is showing value. I will show you in lightning mode also how it is displayed. But usually in classic it is available only for detail page. If you click on edit, the fields are not available. Even roll up summary, or even auto number as well. See, if you go to roll up summary, if you click on edit now, is there any field is available? No. See, roll up summary fields are not available in edit mode. Okay, it is available only for detail mode. As soon as record is saved, then only it is showing. Detail mode is nothing but view mode. Okay, don't confuse, right? And also this is very important question as well. Note, formula field calculating only for new records or existing records, means these fields are calculated calculated both new and legacy data means old data. Okay, don't confuse. Legacy data, that is existing data, automatically, no need to do any action. So if already object is having 1,000 records, again do you want to do any action to re-evaluate the formula fields? No. As soon as formula is created, automatically system is going to evaluate the data and it is displayed into the record level. Okay, no need to do anything for existing data. Anyway, new record, anyway, we are doing some actions, right? When click on save, something happen in backend and it is save the data into the database. But existing data also, it is updated automatically. Okay, so this is one more. And no need to refresh as well. No need to do any action. Nothing will required. Okay, right. Let's see some use cases today. Tomorrow we'll continue remaining thing. Okay, use case one. Right. So simple example, object is lead object. Okay. And second one, field name is lead score, lead score. And also one more is return type. Return type is required, right? Score is all, generally we are using number, right? We are using number. Okay. What is the rule? Which rule customer is providing to update the rule data? I will tell you background of this example. Everyone knows CIBIL score, right? Yes or no? Everyone knows CIBIL score. How the CIBIL score will increase? Tell me, anyone. How the
by paying the EMIs.
hmm, hmm. Right, perfect. When you are paying the money, means EMIs. If you have any EMIs or if you have any loans or something, you are paying loan before due date, or if you are paying loan without due date or without any missing the due date or something, then your CIBIL score automatically it will increase, right? Suppose you are not paying the money within the due date or maybe up to due date. After due date you are going to pay, your CIBIL score is decreasing. So what is the advantage of CIBIL score means? If you have good CIBIL score, sometimes they will increase your loan amount if required, and also they will decrease the rate of interest as well. So some of the banks are checking first your CIBIL score. If you are an existing employee, if you are working past 5 years or 6 years, first they will ask how much you have the CIBIL score. Maybe they required for their system as well. That is also possible. Nowadays you can enter Aadhaar or PAN number, it will get everything right. So how many loans are available, everything it will check for bank people. So that is the advantage. Same here also. How to calculate the lead score? Suppose if you enter some information, suppose user is entered first name, last name, annual revenue and phone number, we need to make it as lead score is 40. If user is not enter the data, if user is missing any information, then what you have to do? We need to decrease the lead score. Means based on user input, we need to populate the lead score value automatically, or we need to calculate the lead score based on the user input. How to calculate? Let's see this example. Okay. Hope you clear this requirement before start. Huh? Right. So example is field name. Okay. Field name. If it is null or is blank, means either it is a number, we are call it a number, generally we are checking for is null function, test value we are checking for is blank. And also here not null, not null and not blank, not blank. And also here greater than 0 and equal to 0. If it is a currency, we are checking for equal to 0 or greater than 0. Let's see. Suppose if the field name user is entered first name of the lead, first name of the lead. If it is a blank, then we can update 0. If it is not blank, user is entered some information, then we can update lead score is 25. Okay, this is anyway not applicable enough. So it's a test value. If user is entered last name, if it is null, 0. If it is not null, enter 25. And it is not required. If user is entered phone number, if it is a phone number not null, 0. If it is null, 0. It is not null, 25. Okay, this one. Now, if it is enter annual revenue is the currency. Okay, so annual revenue is the currency, right? If it is a greater than 0, then we can put 0, 10, sorry, 25. Okay, if user not entered annual revenue, then we can make it as 0. This is the requirement. If user is entered all the input, first name, last name, and phone number, annual revenue, then what is the lead score? 100. Okay. If user is entered only first name and last name, what is the lead score? 50. Who is calculated this data? System is calculated automatically this data based on user input. Okay, let's see how to achieve this one. What is the object? Lead object. Go to the lead object now. Go to sales application. Because of sales application, lead object is available. Click on lead object. Otherwise, any application it is available for lead object. Maybe you can click on plus symbol, it is available. Okay, so now if you click on new button, if user enter first name, lead score is 25. If enter last name, plus 25. Enter phone number, plus 25. Enter annual revenue, plus 25. How to calculate? Let's see. Click on view fields, create a new custom field, select the formula, click on next button, make it visible. What is that? Field name is lead score. Okay, so this is the lead score. And what is the date? These are the return types it is supported: checkbox, currency, date and time, number, and percentage test time. Now as of now, lead score is required for number. You have number is always without decimal. If you want decimal, you can select. Okay, so think before that which output we want to display. If you are selecting number, the formula return type is always that output of the formula is number. Click on next now. So here, this is the simple formula. Don't go for the simple formula. Go to advanced formula. Okay. Here, so these are the functions we have. So here, different types of functions we have: date related function, test related function, logical means and or related function. All functions it is showing here. There is around 100 or more than 100 functions are there. Do you want to remember all these functions? No, not required. Okay, so just in real time, maybe few functions regularly we are using. Maybe I will provide Salesforce also providing some document for few examples for each and every method. You can practice few things. Okay, no need to remember all those things. If you want, if you are not aware of that, you can search in Google or you can search in Salesforce document or somewhere. It will show you which component or which function we are going to use. Okay, so no need to remember, but whatever frequently we are using, that examples we'll discuss now. Okay, now this is the fields. What are the fields we are going to check in formula field? See, organization level also we can use to check. Only particular profile user only we need to calculate, or maybe if you want to check that also it is possible. As of now, the particular lead present we are creating lead object, right? The lead related object fields are showing here, and the lead parent also it is showing. It is arrow mark means this is the lookup field, or maybe master detail field. You can check the related parent fields also it is showing. See, if you go to again, contact is the parent, account is the like this, we can use merge fields as well. This is separate concept we are going to discuss. And also here operator is there. What type of operator? Do you want to check greater than or less than or equal to or not equal to, greater than, equal to, everything it is showing here. Multiplication, divide, everything. Okay, whatever it is required you can select. This one. Now coming to our requirement. Before going to discuss about this, so first we have to think about, there is a three functions here. Okay, first function is blank. Is blank function. So generally, this is interview question also. What is difference between is blank and is null? So generally, is blank is nothing but it is applied. It is applied on. It is applied for test field data field types. Okay. If the field is test data type, we can use for is blank. Okay. If it is blank is true, means the is blank when it is true means if field value is null. Okay, so the field is null means user is not enter the data, then it will return null, it will return true value. Okay, null means field is null, simple. It is a true means field is null, and it is false means field is having information, that is data. Okay, hope you clear. Syntax for this is syntax also very important, but anyway no need to write manually. Everything it is there in formula builder. Directly you can select by using mouse. Okay. Syntax is blank expression. Okay, very interesting concept, guys. Don't confuse. Okay, is blank expression means is blank field name. Okay, field name. That's it. If the field name is blank, then it will return a true. If field name is false, it will return as a null. Okay, this is. And also we have is null also. Is null also same. What is null means? Same points, but it is allowing for number data type. Okay, it is allowing number data type. And also here instead of is blank, we can use is null. That's it. Same function. Now, one more condition we are using here. What is the one more condition here means? If condition. How many knows if condition? You know, right? If condition statement 1 and statement 2. So already C language you learned, right? So if the condition is true, condition equal to true, which statement it will fire? Statement 1. Yes or no? Statement 1 it is displayed. If it is a condition is false, which statement it will run? Statement 2. This is if condition, right? Condition equal to true means whatever condition you are giving that is satisfied, then it will return statement 1, otherwise statement 2. So now we can use this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to write manually. Don't write manually. Syntaxes, everything is there in system. First to select the condition. What kind of condition it is? Logical, right? Otherwise you can leave it here. Directly you can drop down, select the if condition. Why? Because we need to check, right, whether value is empty or not. Okay. Select if condition. What is the logic we need to check? Is blank. Select the is blank. Is blank. What is the field name we need to select? Insert first name. It is first name. Select. If the first name is blank, this condition is satisfied. Which statement it is true? Which statement it is written? True statement. Then you can make it as 0. If it is not blank, then we can make it as 25. That's it. So again, we need to sum, right? We need to sum one more field. Click on add, enter. Either you can use directly, so step by step. Otherwise, we can go with the next line as well. Again, same story. If you want, you can copy this one. Total copy, paste it here. Here instead of first name, you can use for last name. Where is the last name? Select the last name. Again, you can copy here. Instead of last name, first name, you can select the phone value. Phone is generally it is a test data type, guys. So phone is separate data type. It is considered test only. Okay, 25. Finally, what we need to do? We need to remove this one. We need to remove and we need to check annual revenue. Annual revenue is the currency greater than. Go to the greater than operator. Where is the greater than? Greater than 0. Then this condition is satisfied. What value we need to return? True statement 25. If this condition is not satisfied, what value we need to return? 0. Okay. So before going to next page, first check the syntax. Check the syntax whether the logic is correct or not. If you go to here, see that is syntax error. What is the syntax error? See here, end of the formula. End of the formula we are adding plus symbol. Means if we add plus symbol, this formula expecting one more condition here. Just remove the plus symbol. Now check syntax error. See, there is no any syntax error now. Okay, this is the formula you have to write. Okay, simple. So any difficulties, please let me know. Okay, go to Salesforce now. Click on next. Click on next. Now make it visible. Click on next. Save now. So I'm going, instead of creating new data, go to lead, go to all open leads. Now I'm going to click on edit. This I will create, this I will tell you later. Okay, don't worry. I'm remove the conditions as well. Remove. Now here, remove the name, All fields you can remove. Okay, so select the first name. Where is the first name here? First name, and also you can select the last name, phone number, annual revenue. Where is the annual revenue? Annual revenue. And also we have leads, not lead score, lead source. Where is the lead score? It is available here. It is available. This is our field. Just click on save now. This is all our existing data, right? See, automatically lead score is calculated. Why? Because some of the records are not having annual revenue. That is the reason it is showing 75. Okay, if you fill the annual revenue, see suppose 55,000, click on save now. So if you save now and refresh, see it is showing 100. Okay, so this is how it is calculated. If you click on new button, I'm going to add only Raju, and I'm going to enter company is CPS, and I'm not going to enter phone number and annual revenue, first name and annual revenue. Click on save now. See, it is available for 25. Okay, so why it is available only 25? Because of I have entered only last name. If you entered phone number, or if you entered phone number something value and annual revenue also, you can update 1,50,000. Click on save now. It will update 75 now. Still, why it is not updated means there is a first name we are not entered. So if you enter first name, click on OK, save. So this one. Same like CIBIL score also. Whenever you make the payment, it will check before due date you are make the payment or not. If you pay before due date, then system will check and will increase the CIBIL score. Maybe 1 point or 2 points, depends on how they're calculating. Okay, this is how you can create a formula fields in Salesforce. Clear? Any questions? Clear now this use case?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any questions? Yeah, please tell me. Someone asking some question. Yeah, I have a call at 8 o'clock today. So tomorrow maybe I'll take some more time. Uh, I'm stop here. So practice this one. Okay. Maybe you can practice opportunity or something. Maybe you can create account score, or maybe customer score, or maybe financial score, whatever it is required. Same requirement you can apply for any new object. Okay. That is assignment. Maybe I will give assignment here. Simple one assignment is create similar formula field on account object and calculate account score based on below user input. Okay, so that is something like account name, rating, active, and also annual revenue, and also one more is maybe you can check account number, industry. Okay, you can make it whatever percentage you want to update. Maybe everything is 10 10 10 something like that also you can apply. One of the real time example also I will tell you. Okay, and one more assignment is, this is the real time assignment. Okay, so this is I'm giving, you guys are practicing. If user is entered below information, then make it required field information received checkbox equal to checkbox is true. Okay, true automatically. So what is the field name? Required field information is the field name. So this is the checkbox actually. Okay, So if user is providing below input, if user is entered below information on opportunity, or maybe you can use any custom object as well. Okay, so is standard object having all the information, right? That is the reason I'm using opportunity. If you want, you can use custom information. Now, so required field information received, then we can get the checkbox equal to true. Okay, so that is something like which information in opportunity name, account name. Anyway, close date, stage name, it's a mandatory. Amount is not mandatory, and also type is not mandatory. So these four fields, if user is entered these four fields everything, then we can make it required field information is received checkbox equal to true. Okay, maybe I will explain one more scenario. Suppose which field it is missing, that we need to update. Maybe return type is test, that I will give you later one more requirement. This is one of the real time requirement I have built. Okay, simple requirement, same like Sibyl score. Can you do this? Yes, sir. No. So here the formula hint also I'm giving. If is blank equal to opportunity name, then what you need to do? You can return here conditions. You can add multiple conditions. Before and if you can add multiple conditions, either you can use if, otherwise you can use for and operator. Maybe something you can do, whatever it is possible. Try to achieve this one. Okay. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir,
These
we
two.
will do.
Yeah, these two assignments you can do so that you can understand how to create formula fields under. See, all are real time only, guys. Okay, so everything I did in real time only. Same requirements I'm giving. Formula fields easy. So once you practice, you can able to do for all the formula fields whatever based on requirement. So 0, 10, pull up summary and formula fields. Okay. So again, tomorrow I will continue for formula fields. We'll discuss some more examples, and also we can discuss for multi-object formula, that is called cross-object formula. Maybe it will take again 30 to 40 minutes. Maybe I'll try to complete, and also maybe I will continue maybe tomorrow 1.5 hour session. Okay, so tomorrow I don't have any call at 8 o'clock. Today I have a call, so that is the reason I'm wind up early. Thank you. So thank you. At least I got some response in WhatsApp. Whatever you people are doing, at least I got some response from WhatsApp. Okay, better everyone at least send some messages while practicing. This is what we did, something like that. Okay, right. CC 010 class notes. And also my name is Raju. Please call me at Raju. Don't call me sir. Okay, so just call me at Raju. Yeah. Same time. Vijay, tomorrow also same time. So 7 o'clock only. Okay.